Well, after more than 3 years of COVID-related reprieves, federal student loan borrowers need to resume payments starting October 1st. CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger here to tell us how to prepare for that. Not us, but for the people out there who have to make those payments. 3 years, it's been a nice reprieve, but it is time to pay up once again. I know the Supreme Court ruled against the president's plan to forgive billions in loans a few months ago, but what do people need to know right now? Has anything changed?
Actually, something pretty interesting did change. The introduction of a new income-driven repayment plan. This is called the SAVE plan. And it's important because a lot of people just sort of said, oh, I'll go back to where I was 3.5 years ago. But this is a plan to help struggling borrowers. And importantly, the payment that you are going to actually have to make under this plan is based on your income and the size of your family. This could be huge for people who are new parents especially.
I guess why wasn't it that way before? Why is someone who's making, whatever, $50,000 a year paying $2,000 a month?
Well, there were some abilities to create income-driven repayment plans previously, but the SAVE plan is actually a more robust feature. And here's also why. Because it does something different. It treats unpaid interest as something that could be forgiven. So let's say I have a $200 payment, and $50 of that is interest. If I only make $150, under the SAVE plan, that interest is going to get wiped away. Also, if I'm a single borrower and I make less than 15 bucks an hour, you don't have to make payments. Okay, that's huge. People don't realize that. And finally, you know, if you are somebody who makes less than $12,000 a year and you make your payments for 10 years, whatever's left at the end of that 10-year period under the SAVE plan, erased. It's gone. It's forgiven.
So you just have to make sure you make the payments.
You have to make the payments, and you really need to go to studentaid.gov and check out the SAVE plan. That's imperative for anyone who thinks they could qualify.
Like most plans, there are nuances, and you do need to be educated on it. As far as student loan companies that are out there to help you with relief, do you recommend them? Are they like consolidation people? I mean, what's
kind of. And I was really aware of this because I got a ton of people asking me about this right around the Supreme Court decision. I got a lot of inbound inquiries and said, hey, Jill, what's up with this consolidation? They say they can get rid of my student loans. Let me just be clear. Don't do this.
Yes, you're not getting rid of your
You're not getting rid of this. And be clear, the FTC has made an actual warning and said most of these are scams. You can do this yourself. Go to the website, talk to your loan servicer, see if you can qualify for the SAVE plan. But don't pay money to these companies.
Okay, and one last question before we go. We were talking about Taylor Swift a second ago. I mean, you talk about talk about a woman who is bringing financial impact no matter where she goes. She may be back at MetLife Stadium again this weekend, right, for the Chiefs and the Jets.
As a Jets fan, I can say that might be the best thing that happens on Sunday night.
I mean, the Jets need that type of distraction.
Absolutely.
Incredible what she has done on this tour with the financial impact she's had on community to community. Jill, thank you so much. Good to see you. Always great to talk to football with you in the commercial. Maybe we'll bring it out of the commercial break and do it during segments as we move forward. You can see Jill regularly on CBS Mornings and the CBS Evening News with Nora O'Donnell. For more analysis, go to JillOnMoney.com. And we will be right back. Remember, October 1st, those student loan payments begin again.